Where?
Right there. There he goes.
Yeah. Look at him, guys. He's on our front porch. No way. Was he?
He's eating the nuts you threw out there.
Yeah. That's crazy cool, dude.
They love nuts.
Yes, they do. And peanut butter and
bread.
bread.
And bread. They like fruits. They like all kinds of things. Nuts is her favorite, though.
Hey, look at him staring at the camera. Yo.
He's going down to get another one. He's eating it down there now.
What the heck are you doing? This is so cool, actually. Bro, eat up.
Your grandma used to have one that come right up here and bark like a dog.